Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unread a message on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. So once you open Instagram application, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. And then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. And here you need to click on creator tools and controls, and here you can see option of switch account type, and here you need to switch to professional account. So I am in my professional account now. Then you need to go back and click on the messenger icon on the top right. Here you need to hold on any conversation, and here you can see option mark as unread. Click on that option. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can mark message as unread on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.